I can't hold you up.
It's funny. The plant's telling you jokes, huh?
Yeah. Is it tickling your face?
Did you hear the one about the bumblebee? Oh, you want to fix it back. Yeah. Is it telling you funny jokes?
Peekaboo, you silly. You're not. I can't see. Where's Ezra? There he is. Peekaboo. Where's Ezra? There he is. Peekaboo, Ezra. Yeah. Where's Ezra? Where's Ezra? I can't see him. Where'd he go? Where's Ezra? Where'd he go?
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo, Ezra. Where's Ezra? There he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Ezra. Where is he? I'm trying to hide. If I can't see. Yeah. What's out there? Where's Ezra? There he is. Peekaboo, Ezra. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where'd
That's
Ezra
just
go?
too good a game, isn't it?
Peekaboo. Where'd he go?
It's so much fun. I'm going to go
Where'd he go?
hysterical.
Where's Ezra? There he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Ezra. Yeah. Upload that and show it to Jordan tonight. Where's Ezra? Oh my God. You are too funny. There he is. Peekaboo, Ezra. Oh my God.
He just got so hyper.
Peekaboo. Oh, I'm sleepy. I think I might just fall asleep.
Peekaboo! Where's Ezra? Where's Ezra? Where is he? I like the curtain better.
Yeah.
Walk around the house blindfolded.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh my God.
Oh, he just fell like 2 inches. Oh,
I know.
a baby as cute as me shouldn't have a floor come up and hit him in the head.
There he goes.
How
Mama's
offensive.
gonna get you. Mama's gonna get you. Yeah. Oh, I know. You must be so tired. You've been up for over 4 hours now. Or almost about 4 hours. What do you have? Junk mail. Junk mail. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. Oh, I know a fun game. I know a fun game we could play. You ready? Woo! do you think of that? Woo! What do you think of that?
Yeah, it's so much fun, Mama. I don't ever want you to quit. Do it all day long.
Woo! Fortunately, he can't see do it again yet. Let's see if we got anything in there. Oh, we do. We got some screws in there.
She's going to chase you down now.
Yeah, that goes up there away from the baby. There we go.
Hi.
Really want this to sit. Oh, are you getting frustrated? Are you getting frustrated? You want that to sit up there just perfectly? How about we put it right there? Huh? No. No, Mama. Yeah. You know what? I think we better change your diaper. Thank you.
She's going to get you. She's going to get you.
You gonna get that towel? Oh! Where's Ezra?
Where's Ezra? Where's Ezra?
Yeah, hi.
Where's Ezra?